Hello children, today we are going to study mathematics page number 16, inter-school sports meet, race. Now this is the 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is the nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. Now children, they are telling behind her is Rehana. Konkna and Uma are running behind her. Look at the picture to answer the questions below. Choose from these distances. You have to choose the answer from these distances given below. Okay? Now see. If you look at the picture, they are telling you that Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. Now children, this is finishing line. So this will be Arundhati. I will write A for Arundhati. And she is about 6 meters from finishing line. This is given to you. The distance between Arundhati and finishing line is 6 meters. Now what they are telling, behind her is Rehana. This girl is Rehana and behind her are Uma and Konkna. Now children, how far is Rehana from Arundhati? They are asking you what is the distance between Rehana and Arundhati. Now children, if you look here, you will see that the distance between Arundhati and Rehana is exactly half of this. Means this is 6 meter, so this will become 3 meter. Half of 6 is 3 meter. Now, how far is Rehana from Arundhati? She is only 3 meters far from Arundhati. Now children, how far ahead is Rehana from Konkna and Uma? Now if you look at the distance between Konkna and Rehana, you will see that it is exactly 6 meters, isn't it? So Rehana is ahead from Konkna and Uma by 6 meter. Now children, they are asking you how far are Konkna and Uma from finishing line. Now you have to calculate the distance between these three. Means how far are Uma and Konkna from the finishing line. Now this 6 meter plus 3 meter will give you 9 meter. 9 plus 6 will give you 15 meter. So Rehana, Konkna and Uma are 15 meter far from the finishing line. Now children, next part. Have you heard about a 1500 meter or 3000 meter race? You know children that in 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer and 500 meter makes half a kilometer. So you can say in 1500 meter race people run dash kilometer. Now see children, in 1500 meters race, people run dash kilometer. Now this 1500 can be written as 1000 plus 500 meter, 1000 meter plus 500 meter. This 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer and this 500 meter is equal to half kilometer. So in 1500 meters race, people run 1.5 kilometer. Understood children? And in a 3000 meter race, people run dash kilometer. Now this 3000 meters can be written as 3 into 1000. Why 1000? Because 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer, so 3 kilometer. So in 3000 meters race, people run 3 kilometer. So children, here we will write In 1500 meters, people will run 1.5 kilometer, and in 3000 meter race, people run 3 kilometer. Now next page. Now children, have you heard about marathon races in which people have to run about 40 kilometers? People run marathons on roads because the track of stadium is only 400 meters. Now children, 10 rounds of stadium track will be how many kilometers? So let's find. Now see children, in one round of a stadium track we run 400 meter. So in 10 round we will multiply 400 into 10, that will give us 4000 meter, and 4000 meter is equal to 4 kilometer. So 10 rounds of a stadium track will give you 4 kilometer. Now if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will have to complete dash rounds. Now children see, marathon is of 40 kilometer. Now if you convert this into meter, 40 into 1000, that will give you 40,000 meter. Means marathon is of 40,000 meter. And one round of stadium track is equal to 400 meter. So to cover a distance of 40,000 meter, how many round of stadium track we have to complete? So we have to divide here 40,000 divided by 400. Now children, simple division we have to carry here. 40,000 we will, this is the dividend, 400 is the divisor, 400 ones are 400. If you subtract, this will get 0, and these 2 zeros are remaining that we are going to shift upside. So if you run a marathon on a stadium track, you will complete 100 rounds. So if you run a marathon of 40 kilometers on a stadium track, you will complete 100 rounds. Okay children, today we will stop here. In the next topic, in the next video, we will continue from long jump, page number 17.